For more than 30 years, Arts Centre Melbourne has been Melbourne's leading venue for world-class theatre, dance, music, and more. In the theatre's building, directly under the venue's iconic spire, are three separate theaters: the State Theatre, which boasts one of the world's largest stages and hosts performances by Opera Australia and the Australian Ballet, the Playhouse, and the Intimate Fairfax Studio. Arts Centre Melbourne is the home of 6 stages, enough to host over 1,000 performances a year. All with unique features including Sydney Meyer Music Bowl skyscraper views. We have some of the world's smallest, roundest, and deepest stages to experience. Located at 100 St Kilda Road, Melbourne, just across the Yarra River from Flinders Saint Station. Having their own car parking, and there are also multiple public transport options for getting here. If you book tickets online, you can use the Select Your Own Seat option to choose seats straight from the map. Arts Centre Melbourne tour is highly recommended. In fact, it's a must-show and tell about a bunch of stuff you might never know unless you get the lowdown from one of our excellent tour guides. If you are outside the building or in the foyer, then sharing your memories of your visit with friends and family. But unless you have sought permission from the venue, any footage taken must be for personal use only and not contravene any of our policies around filming. Thanks for respecting this. Now snap away. Photography during performances is generally not permitted. Please check with venue staff upon entering to confirm the photography policy for the performance you are attending. Arts Centre Melbourne, originally known as the Victorian Arts Centre and briefly called the Arts Centre, is a performing arts centre consisting of a complex of theatres and concert halls in the Melbourne Arts Precinct, located in the central Melbourne suburb of South Bank in Victoria, Australia. Arts Centre Melbourne is located by the Yarra River and along St Kilda Road, one of the city's main thoroughfares, and extends into the Melbourne Arts Precinct. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.